The moment the needle enters, it passes through several skin layers. The medicine is delivered into muscle or beneath the skin. The injected liquid begins spreading into surrounding tissues. Nearby cells start absorbing the medication immediately. The bloodstream gradually carries the medicine throughout the body. Through circulation, the drug reaches distant organs and tissues.
If it is a vaccine, immune cells recognize the introduced material.
The immune system begins producing protective antibodies.
Specialized memory cells prepare for future protection.
Temporary swelling may occur as part of immune activation. Nerve endings send pain signals to your brain.
The tiny wound quickly begins repairing itself.
The medication binds to specific cells to perform its function.
Your body responds, adapting to the treatment provided.
Within hours, the body has fully processed the injection.